So I'll just click on chat and just watch it.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking for assistance for a sales call.
Sure. What specific help do you need for your sales call?
I want to create a persona who is able to take sales call for my product.
Got it. What kind of products are you selling and what traits do you want this persona to have?
Well, I have digital products, which is about teaching automation and how to build your AI agents.
Sounds interesting. For this persona, do you want them to be friendly, knowledgeable, persuasive, or something else?
Yes, they should be able to qualifying the leads first and then only take the enrollment for the program. That is the first thing I want them to have.
Understood. So the persona should be able to qualify leads effectively before enrolling them. What other traits or skills do you want them to have?
So you can see, this is how easy it is. It will keep on asking me questions, and actually, what it is happening over here is I am training my persona to how to take the sales call. So in the same way, you can also train this particular video. I'm gonna help you and walk you through a very interesting and a very useful tool called Anam.ai, which actually creates your persona and actually talks to you like a human. Okay, so you can actually create your persona over here, and you can actually integrate it into your website or somewhere and use it for maybe for one-on-one consultation. You can also train it for taking sales call as well. You can also train it for doing accountability calls. Again, one tool, but multiple use cases are there. So again, it depends on your use cases, that what do you want to do with this. And this is the tool I'm talking about, which is Anam.ai. And you can see there's a persona. you can I can also build my persona over here, since this is a free plan. But under the free plan you cannot do that. But when you have taken a paid plan for this, you can again create your own persona. Like, you can create your look alike over here, that this look alike will be talking like you, it will be sounding like you, it will be having the gestures like you. So again, there multiple possibility is there, but it is very accurate, and I like the kind of accuracy it has. That is why I'm sharing it here with you guys. So this is Anam.ai, and what it does is I'll just give you a quick demonstration, and I'll show you that this is an very reliable. The prompt I'm showing you is: you are a helpful, concise, and reliable assistant. Speaking said, you should attempt to understand user spoken. So it's a very generic assistant, and you can choose from here again what kind of assistant you want, and based on that you can again chat with them. You can choose the avatar from here. If I choose avatar, any other avatar over here, you can see it changes over here. Again, you can see it is mentioned the kind of view they will be having. It has a desk web view, then it has a window desk view, it has a home view. Let me just click on this. It has a desk view. Now you can also choose the LLM, like which model you want to talk to, and you can choose it from here. And you can also integrate your own LLM through API integrations and everything. You can also choose from this which kind of voice you want. This is again, 11 Labs is under the beta mode right now. So it is mentioned beta over there, and then Cartesia it is over here. And you can also choose which kind of audio it should be sounding. You can choose that over here. Now let me just give you a demonstration. That's what is this all about. So I'll just click on chat and just watch it.
Hi there. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I'm looking for assistance for a sales call.
Sure. What specific help do you need for your sales call?
I want to create a persona who is able to take sales call for my product.
Got it. What kind of products are you selling and what traits do you want this persona to have?
Well, I have digital products, which is about teaching automation and how to build your AI agents.
Sounds interesting. For this persona, do you want them to be friendly, knowledgeable, persuasive, or something else?
Yes, they should be able to qualifying the leads first and then only take the enrollment for the program. That is the first thing I want them to have.
Understood. So the persona should be able to qualify leads effectively before enrolling them. What other traits or skills do you want them to have?
So you can see, this is how easy it is. It will keep on asking me questions, and actually, what it is happening over here is I am training my persona to how to take the sales call. So in the same way, you can also train your persona, that what kind of maybe you are creating a persona for accountability call. So what kind of accountability call, what are the do's and don'ts, and if there is a knowledge base, you can that put that as well again over there. So this is a ready-made persona available, which you can actually train. And again, this is just like how you train a human. You are training this person, and you are providing all the data to this person, and you are creating a persona of yours. And once you are happy with the persona, you can actually click on this embed, and you can actually copy this whole code and put it in your website, maybe something like www.shrutisingh.com, and there I can actually have this only this persona. And whenever my clients come onto the this that particular URL, they will be landing onto my personas talking persona, but instead of landing onto the anam.lab. Okay, so that's all about it, and how you can actually create multiple personas. So let me just show you that as well. So when you click on personas, you will get multiple options over here. Okay, so you can again, you can see there's an option of create your persona. So again, this is a paid plan if you can replicate yourself. But if you don't want to use the paid plan for now, and you're just trying to test things out, then this free plan is very good. As I've already demonstrated, it gives a very good results when you actually train it. So you can see multiple personas are there. Like Maya is a virtual therapist designed to provide emotional support and target and suggest mindfulness techniques. Sophie is a friendly language tutor. So you can select the persona and edit it. So you can see over here and click on it. You can view this, and you can see the prompt over here. What prompt is given over here, that you are a helpful, concise, and reliable assistant. So that's how you actually train the persona over here. And if you want to change it to a support persona, you can click on support as well, and it will change to a support persona. Now again, I've already shown you how you can change the the look and everything. You can do that from here as well, and that's how you can use it. Again, there are multiple things you can do with this particular tool. It depends on your use case and your creativity, how you use it and where you want to use it. If you want this persona to take your weekly calls, you don't want to show up for the weekly calls of your community, you can actually train your persona. Exactly, you train the persona like you train a new employee, a new team member of your teams. And when you are talking to them, you are actually training them, providing all the resources. So again, this is something you can do and feel you're just like talking to a human, and you're training your team member, you're training an army of yours, so that they can take care when you are not there. So this is the whole idea of it. And there are multiple use cases, and the sky is the limit for this. But again, I'm really very happy with the outcome it has given, and you can again try and test things out yourself. And it's too accurate with its results, and you can totally trust on this whenever you want to automate your operations part and everything. This should be become your go-to tool. And there are multiple things you can also integrate it using API keys and everything. So if you want to integrate, again, this is a paid plan, so that is why you can use it under that things, and you can do that. There are multiple things subscription. Let me just show you the subscriptions available. So right now you can see the starter plan gives you $12 per month. That is best plan for more advanced usage, and billing includes commercial usage as well. So 45 minutes of training is available over there. Then one current concurrent sessions. Again, you choose your plan basis on your requirement. That is how. And there are multiple things available, and you can share the links from here as well. You can create a persona, and then that the link will be here again, and you can share it directly with your client to talk to, whether they want an accountability partner, whether they want a tutor, whether they want someone to actually guide them throughout the process. You can use it whichever way you want, but again, you have to train it just like you train your team member. So you have to train it, and then you can put it out live in the market to use it depending on your use cases. And that's all about it in this particular video. Please try and test things out, and let me know in the comment section how things came out when you tested it. And put it into the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. That's on If you have any queries, please drop it into the comment section, and I'll revert to it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.